Alright, so we're here with Mr. Joe from Lazy Joe's Fish and Chips. Now we gotta ask you a little bit, can you share with our audience a little bit what makes Lazy Joe's Fish and Chips unique versus all the other fish fry places?
Well, there's a couple things. You know, one, we bring everything in fresh. You know, clams are flown in from back east, our scallops, our lobster, our bread's brought in from Providence, Rhode Island. We hand bread everything to order. Our chicken, we have it on the premises, that's all fresh. We cook in 100% soybean oil, no trans fats, no cholesterol, no sodium. But the biggest thing is that we services people that have a gluten tolerance. So we have gluten-free food. About 99.9% of our menu is gluten-free. And basically what that means is people that are allergic to white, wheat, rye, barley, oats, cannot eat that. But in our case, they can eat corn flour, which is what we serve and have been serving for 70 years now. So it's kind of unique in itself. Our French fries are fresh, our onion rings are fresh. We cut our own cheese, we cut our own mozzarella cheese sticks, we cut our own zucchini. So basically everything here is fresh that we have to service up, you know, a guest. And we service probably over at least 500 guests that have gluten tolerance. So, and plus the regular rates, the guests that come in to eat here. Unique too in the respect that we have all you can eat fish and shrimp on Thursday, Fridays, and Saturdays, which is probably unheard in Las Vegas. But other than that, you know, we do a lot of different things here that makes the difference.
I love it, and it's delicious. Tracy, how'd you feel about it?
Oh, I loved it. Just the whole experience, it was really good. I had that flowering onion you guys do. Does not even, like, it is amazing. Outback, just...
It makes Outback too big.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, the biggest thing that people say about that is that it's not greasy and it's not oily. And that, of course, I think it has to do with we change our oil a lot, we filter it a lot. And with the type of flour that we use, it doesn't absorb the oil like traditional flour would. So that's why it tastes so good. You know, and the dressings that our coleslaw is made here. Like I said, just about everything that we do is made here on the premises. So it makes it unique in itself.